Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna talk to you about adorable, mushy, squishy Valentine's Day gifts for kids. And this one have 28 adorable, mushy, squishy toys, 28 heart-shaped cases in red, and 28 Valentine's cards with 4 different designs. Each heart case comes pre-filled with a mushy, squishy toy. Unique mushy squishy toys in red hard plastic shells and thick heart-shaped Valentine's cards for kids, perfect for fostering social skills and expressing gratitude. And this is a perfect gift choice for kids who adore cute special items. This Valentine's set with many toys and greetings cards is great for classroom exchange or as party prizes, adding excitement to any festive activity. And this mushy squishy are non-toxic, BBA free and safe for children, crafted from high quality TPR material, and they are durable and offer a pleasant tactile experience, easily washable with water when dirty. And there is a link for this product in the description box. You can look it up. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.